Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Ray. Today we are going to learn about in, on, and under for beginners. Are you ready? You may say, yes, I am. The cat is in the box. In. The books are in the bag. In. The woman is in the car. In. We use in when talking about animals, things, or persons within or inside something. The teddy bear is on the bed. On. The cat is on the chair. On. The bird is on the branch of the tree. On. We use on when talking about animals, things, or persons on top of a surface. The cat is under the table. Under. The pillow is under the bed. Under. The boy is sleeping under the tree. Under. We use under when talking about animals, things, or persons below a surface. Let's practice. The owl is blank the box. In, on, or under? What is the answer? That's right. In. The owl is in the box. The books are blank the table. In, on, under. What is the answer? That's right. On. The books are on the table. The ball is blank the table. In, on, under. What is the answer? That's correct. Under. The ball is under the table. You did it! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!